Hey, welcome to The Running Chef. Today we're making the ultimate comfort food duo. A crispy, classic grilled cheese sandwich and the classic tomato soup from Campbell's, condensed. Now, whether you're cooking for yourself or for your family, this recipe is quick, easy, and delicious. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need for the grilled cheese. 2 slices of bread, white or sourdough works best. Mayo, or you can use butter for a golden crust. Your favorite cheese, cheddar, American, or a blend. And for the tomato soup, 1 can of Campbell's condensed tomato soup with 1 can of water. Or milk, your choice. Add a pinch of salt and pepper for taste. First, let's put mayonnaise on 2 slices of bread. Try to spread it as evenly as you can. It enables the bread to get very crispy. Heat a non-stick pan on medium-low. The key here is patience. Low and slow melts the cheese while toasting the bread perfectly. Place 1 slice of bread in the pan, mayonnaise side down. Feel free to add anything here. I like a little Grey Poupon mustard myself. And try to spread it evenly. Next, add your cheese slices on top of the bread. Then cover with your other slice of bread with the mayonnaise side up. Let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. You may want to check occasionally to see how it's toasting. Then flip it gently. Look at that color. Now, cook the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is fully melted. While the sandwich is cooking, let's make our soup. This classic Campbell's tomato soup is simple but comforting. Pour the condensed soup into a pot, then add 1 can of water. Sometimes I use less water to make it a little bit thicker. Let's transfer it to the stove. Stir over medium heat until it's hot and smooth, but don't let it boil. A pinch of salt and pepper adds just the right touch. Our grilled cheese looks like it's done, and now it's time to plate it. Now let's cut it and see how that cheese looks. There you have it, grilled cheese perfection with classic Campbell's tomato soup. Simple, delicious, and ready in minutes. And maybe add a few croutons. Okay, let's see how this tastes. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Nice gooey. Perfect. Nice crispy, golden colored. Delicious. That mayonnaise makes it like extra crispier. And I'll tell you, a little mustard in the middle there, or anything that you like, just adds a little bit more flavor. And the soup, it's not the typical soup I make, but to have Campbell's tomato soup on hand is great. You never know when you need some soup. You know, for those cold winter days you come back from a run, this is so quick and easy to make. And it's pretty good. There you have it, grilled cheese perfection with classic Campbell's tomato soup. Simple, delicious, and ready in minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy cooking videos. See you next time.